Well, I just finished over there tilling the garden, or the pumpkin patch. We'll get a show of that here in a second. Now I'm gonna make me some feet so I can walk in my pumpkin patch. We're gonna tie these shoes here onto these here pop crates, and we're gonna walk around in them like this. Now a lot of people will walk on them the other way, and when they turn like this, kind of like a real shoe, but you're still going to compress, because even though your weight's getting distributed over that, you're still going to compress all that ground up underneath that. Whereas if you walk on the edge of it like that there, you're only going to compress that. So technically you are getting more weight distributed upside down than you are right side up. Okay? So turn your shoes upside down. Okay? If you're going to use the pop crates, my advice is tilt them up, turn them upside down. The other way, you are distributing some weight, but not nearly as much as you think. Okay? You would literally have to be a child for that to distribute enough weight to not compact. Okay? Us guys that are grown men and women, we're going to have to turn them upside down to distribute our weight a little bit better. Okay? Turn them upside down, tie them on there like this, and you'll distribute more weight. Guarantee it, okay? Guarantee it. We're going to show you how here in just a minute. All right, so we've got it tilled up. I got my shoes on here. Show you how they work. See that? You're not compacting nowhere near the amount that you are when you're packing that other stuff. See how they work? You can't even tell I've walked in here. See? See that? Nowhere near. See? You can't say that I've walked in here. You can't tell. Turn them upside down, guys. Turn them upside down. They work a lot better when you turn them upside down. You're distributing more weight over a larger surface, and you're not hurting, you're keeping more weight off of the surface of the ground, okay? Flip them upside down. Don't use them like that no more on the other way we've been using them, when they've been turned up the right way. Just tie them on there. This is a work in progress, still trying to keep them tied on here. There we go. It's a little, I need to retie this left one, but the right one's good. Anyhow, we're gonna get in here and do some skewers. Why are you laughing at me? It works. The other people turn them upside the other way. This works. My wife's laughing at me. The neighbors are laughing at me too, probably, if they're watching. All right, use some skewers. Get some these secondaries running the right way, and weed some.